A lot of people thought Japan's safe haven status was gone, but I think what we learn now is that you need a really big risk shock, and then that safe haven situation for the Korean for the Japanese yen comes back to the market, and that's what we're seeing. Yeah.
Do you have a level in mind that you're watching?
Our year-end target was close to 100, so we're getting there kind of fairly rapidly. But I think it's all dependent on what's going to happen with markets at this point, and whether central banks are going to be able to stabilize sentiment.
That's a question, Mandy.
Yeah, talking of authorities being able to stabilise sentiment, we've already seen the verbal intervention from both Korea and Japan this morning. While that might be able to just put a temporary halt on any major sell-off, it usually doesn't turn the boat around, as I was saying earlier. Do you think they're going to actually have to physically intervene as well, and would it be effective?
They could try to intervene. I don't think it's effective in this type of market situation necessarily, because there's a lot of dislocations happening across risk assets. So it can only be modestly effective. It can't really turn the situation around, but it can, at least reduce volatility, maybe slow down the moves. But I think more importantly, from the standpoint of what central banks can do, is not really, monetary policy is not really the proper tool to deal with what we're going through at the moment with the coronavirus or the oil price shock. So I think the market is testing the central bank's put at this point.
What would you be doing with the currencies that are most affected by the plunge in oil, such as the Mexican peso, naturally the ruble as well, the ZAR?
Yeah, so we've seen, generalized losses across the EM. It's not just been in the oil exporters, it's also been in the oil importers, such as Turkey, South Africa this morning. Even a place like Indonesia, for instance, is coming under significant pressure. We don't know where oil is going to ultimately settle, but if it continues to go down or stays low, then there is going to be continued pressure on these high-yielding EM currencies. So we continue to think it's an environment where you want to be long dollars. If there is a rally in EM, you want to buy that dollar dip.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.